Ah! I hate this stupid remote! I wish someone came.
Hey, Abby,
What?
are you tired of your remote not working?
Yes.
Does it need constant battery changes?
Yes, because look.
Oh no! We're never gonna need another remote again. With the new
Remote stick!
With the remote stick, you don't have to waste your money on pointless remotes and batteries.
Ever again!
Never!
Ever?
Try it, Abby.
Never! Try it!
Throw this away.
Try the remote stick.
Look how much it works!
It's so simple and easy. Just point and push the button. How simple can it get, folks? That's it, right there, pure and simple. And guess what? We even have the new
Extra large! Look how amazing, you can just lounge back here.
But guess what? It's not just for changing channels. Use the remote stick for a back scratcher.
Oh yeah,
So
that
good.
looks great.
Or getting your friend's attention.
Look, my attention is always on her because she's poking me with the remote stick. Right there. Here, take the
Yeah,
remote
scary
stick and
dogs.
enjoy the TV. But wait, we're not finished yet.
We're not finished yet?
Not yet!
Not yet?
If you order right now, we'll send you a second one. Oh, wait a second, time's up. We were gonna send you a second one for free.
For free?
For free!
And it comes with a lifetime guarantee.
You'll never have to pay for it if you break it or if it gets lost.
If your dog eats it, we'll send you a new one.
For free!
For free.
For free!
This company is not responsible for any accidents and or injuries caused by the remote stick. You should be 10 years of age in order to operate the remote stick.
I'm 6.
Oh, sorry. No.
Yes, I have it.
Yeah! So if you want a remote stick, order now! If you experience nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, and or diarrhea,
I don't want indigestion and diarrhea.
well then contact your doctor immediately! And order now! Go online to iwantaremotestick.com.
I'm still 6.
Oh, give me that. iwantaremotestick.com.
iwantaremotestick.com.
I want it now!
If you want a remote stick, call 555-5553. Do it now!
Do it now.
And I'm still 6.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it. Order now!
Order now.
Do it!
Do it.
Do it!
Did I stop it?
No!
I pushed the button.